Hello coders, welcome to Fast Coder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. So as all of you know, our channel intention is to share knowledge, gain knowledge. Initially our intention is to share the knowledge, but as our channel progresses, most of our subscribers requested for trainings. So we have started our trainings with less fee and quality education. Currently, we are going to start same day surgery CPT live chat training batch number 5. So now we can learn what are the requirements to join in this training. So in order to join in this training, you must be a CPC certified coder. As all of us know, in CPC exam, we are going to have more questions from CPT. So if we have CPC certification, you are going to code live chats very freely without any difficulty. So who can benefit from this training? So basically like denial coders, ED coders and SCC coders, the people are coders who are trying to change their specialty into surgery training or surgery coding. They will be benefit from this session. For example, if you take denial management coding, there you need to validate the codes provided by the physicians, but you don't know how to code the chart. So in this session, you are going to know how to code the live chat and what are the secrets behind that coding. So what do you learn in this training? So in this training, you are going to learn nearly 50 live chats using various techniques, and also you are going to learn modifiers which are most important for CPT coding, and also you are going to learn NCCI edits, and also you are going to see few live softwares like 3M and few free softwares, and also you are going to learn 300 to 400 most important Q&A for same day surgery interviews. So what type of chats included in this training? So in this training, you are going to see or you are going to code 10,000 to 60,000 series. So we are going to learn 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 and 60,000 series charts. So using these chats, whenever there is a possibility, I will tell the secrets behind that case scenarios. So what is the duration of this training? The maximum duration of this training is 5 to 6 weeks. So what is the mode of this training? So basically this training is online training. Using the teams, we will conduct this training. What is the training schedule? So basically it is completely based on the students. So we are having the flexibility to teach on weekends and our weekdays also. It is based on the students' flexibility. What is the fee for this training? The fee for this training is 5,000. So if anyone interested, please send your name and experience to cptsurgery3@gmail.com. So we will share the demo link. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly share and learn about this training session with your friends.